imagine. You don't.
man.
You lose.
I'm not me. I'm back.
This is true, by the way. Like you
Alright.
know anything about eye color, buddy. Your eyes are the same color as your
This is
skin.
just yap session, bro.
Can you hear
Come
me?
on.
In it.
What
Yes, I
matches,
can hear
bro?
you.
Nothing matches on you. You know what else would match with you? Really, a rope, like a nice long rope. That match with you pretty well. Also, a tree. Yeah, pair those two together, you'd look perfect, bro.
Get the fuck out of my way, nigger.
Somebody wise once told me that hashtags are the wrath of God. Heaven is censoring you, ape. Don't talk.
I told you I could hear your mic.
No, I couldn't hear
What an insult.
Dude, you gotta be stone faced. Like you didn't even make me smile. You elicited no reaction. You should be ashamed of yourself. Why aren't you ashamed? You should be ashamed. Yeah, you know you should be ashamed. You should be ashamed to be alive.
You will never be human.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you should be killed. Killed in real life. Let's see what's going on over here.